We're just gonna have to take the brunt of the weight. Mary, you coming or are we doing this?
Alright.
Trying to get away from this, aren't you?
Andy.
Okay, keep going.
Sorry.
You ready, Robert? It's gonna be on.
Oh, you gotta put your foot in there so that it's not moving around.
Michael, I think when it gets to a certain point, let him take over and come in the front here.
I know.
Come in the front now.
You know what? I
Hey,
think
one more.
Okay, come in the front with us. Don't
Okay,
fall,
so
guys.
just hold this steady.
Okay.
Steady.
I think you should go more.
You know what?
want to go more?
Hold on, hold on.
hold on a second. That needs to be removed now.
No.
We haven't
Right,
got
no,
it.
no, the counterbalance yet.
Just keep going.
Go
I think
one
you
more.
should.
Go
You
back,
can, yeah,
go
go
back.
more.
No,
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 yeah,
you can't
a couple
go back,
more,
because he's in
gentlemen.
there. Okay, guys, we're gonna be tipping right now.
Hold on, give me one more.
Yeah. It's,
Yeah, it's pretty close.
Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. You're
Go
right,
on
but
each
this.
side.
Hold on, before you do this, that jack has to be removed before we.
Once we tip, he can remove the jack.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, one of you can hold on there. Okay, ready? Alright. Give it another couple pumps. There you go. We got it.
No,
Get
we're
it out.
good.
Take the jack out.
Yeah,
Go
pull
back.
it, pull it.
Go back.
He's good.
Take your brakes off.
Okay, keep your foot on there
Off.
for a second.
Take your brake off. There you
He can't go back too much.
go. Oh.
That's it.
Okay.
No, we gotta lower the.
Is the jack out?
it is out.
Can you pull back a little? Hold on.
Okay. You want me to
Push,
pull
push,
back?
push back.
No, you know what? Wait.
My
This is
side
not-
or your
this
side?
is dangerous though. We gotta push that in.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Put your foot on that other wheel, Robert, and push back.
Oh, this is dangerous.
No, it's not.
Push back, push back. Push. Okay.
Let it catch.
Yeah.
Let it catch. Keep going.
Nice and easy. We're good, we're good.
We're good. Hold on. Let go.
Okay.
No, that wasn't too bad. I thought it'd be
Exactly. Okay,
a lot worse.
take over.
Nice and easy, slow.
Okay. This is gonna come.
Nice and easy. You watch your head.
Watch your head.
You complain about my straps all the time.
You have to nudge into
Yeah,
your.
yeah.
Watch your head.
Watch the machine.
Okay, wait. Yeah, we gotta
I
probably
gotta
push
move
it
the
in.
machine
push
away,
it in.
yeah?
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Right here.
All right.
Keep
Ready?
going down.
Going down gently down.
No, we're thinking you can just slam it.
No, it only has one speed after a certain level, so be careful.
So if the machine hasn't been drinking.
There we go.
Jesus.
Nice
Look at
job.
that. A little more, Michael? Just a little bit? That's it.
All right, that's not bad.